Dressers aren't just for storing your clothing. Everything you assumed office storage is, think again. Office supply storage is what I was thinking when I stumbled across this vintage Glam mid-century campaign dresser at the Goodwill. The outside was a little dirty, but the inside was immaculate, and for $12.99, I'll take it. I'm totally winning. Before prepping, all of the drawers were removed and I sprayed the entire dresser using bug spray just in case. I gave the dresser a good wipe down using a mild soap and water to remove any dirt or any grime. Blush pink was my first choice of color because it matched my DIY evidence cabinet that I painted last year, so I decided to paint it white. I didn't want too much pink overflooding the room, and I'm using white chalk paint by Waverly. You can get this 8-ounce bottle for $5.99 at Walmart, and I love using chalk paint because there's no prepping, there's no stripping paint, just apply it, and it dries really fast, and a little goes a long way. After the paint has dried, I use a fine grit sandpaper to remove any of the brush strokes, and I used a damp cloth to remove the dust. I then applied the paint again using my brush, and then I followed it up with a textured roller to smooth out any of the lines. Now I purposely use a textured roller because the top will be getting a whole lot of use. Now the hardware. I tried to use Barkeeper's Friend on it, but it was just too tarnished for my liking. And you guys have seen me use the gold leafing on my DIY file holder box, and I'll have that link down below. And I just knew it would be perfect to use on this hardware. You can get the gold leafing kit from any craft store, and it comes with 25 sheets of gold leaf. I did do 5 of them, but I wanted to show you the difference it will make using gold leaf. Before starting, I used rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt, and then I applied the adhesive, adding a very thin coat and let it dry until it's tacky. Next, I applied a sheet of gold leaf using my paintbrush to get it on, and then I started brushing the excess off, but please be sure to lay something down on your floor to protect it. Now organization. I love using non-traditional storage containers like cosmetic bins. It's perfect for almost anything, especially office supplies. I grabbed a few from TJ Maxx for only $4.99, and you guys know how much I love me some IKEA, and lately I've been using utensil trays to store my office supplies, and I know it sounds odd, but it's very practical and very affordable. This utensil tray was only $6.99 at IKEA, and as you can see, it's perfect for housing your pens, your tape dispenser, scissors, and smaller compartments for Post-its. And in the other drawer, I have my label makers for Post-its, tape, and these little clear containers, I forgot where I got them from, for holding my batteries for my keyboard and my labeler and my SD cards. And in another drawer, I have my favorite throw blankets for chilly days and nights. And in this drawer, some of my camera equipment and my pencil pouch to hold my loose cords. Decorating on a budget can put a downer on your decor dreams, but it doesn't have to if you can look past the ugly and see the potential in something. That's why I love doing these kinds of videos for you guys, to get you closer to your dream space without breaking the bank. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and I want to thank you all for watching.